The homies just drove 2 hours. We're about to shoot some crazy content.
That's
First
right.
time anybody's gonna see a visual with me singing some crazy bass music.
Shout out to Delaney for trusting with the vision. It's super sick and it's a cool new little piece of artistry that she's pursuing and stepping into. We're at Heaps Peak Arboretum. Probably definitely butchered that name, but this is super sick. It's about 2 hours outside of LA. Excited to get into it. I just be shooting things because I don't necessarily know exactly what I'm gonna use in the edit, but I do know the vibe of the edit that I want. And so you just want to get enough footage, especially with stuff like this.
Like I think too, somehow it's blurry, right? But then there's like moments where it gets on me for a second and it's like right when that drops, like, baby, I got a light, I'm go, you know?
Yeah, this is sick. Okay, cool. Sick. I think the all black right now is kind of a vibe.
Trap Fairy.
That's right, Trap Fairy, let's go.
Like...
Put some on me, let's go. Some fairy dust. I'm just getting some vibes right now.
Look lit.
Yeah. Yeah, this is more of the vibe. That looks sick. Go ahead and move your arms like that again. Sick.
Wow, that's sick.
We just wrapped that first spot at the Sequoia Grove, and now we're going to this more along the trail to see other spots. And we got a few performance shots back there that look sick, some vibey pieces. And I think now we're gonna just be looking for some more vibes. I think those overlooks is where we would throw a drone up. We can like pull off, that'd be sick. For the shot that we're thinking of right now with Delaney being a beast and posing super elegantly, is better for a wide angle because then you can get the whole environment here. I'll kind of show you what the whole field of view so you can kind of...
Yeah, bro, this is like a dream.
With flash, I like to use a higher f-stop because the goal isn't to be super blurry, contrary to popular belief. It's to get the subject in focus. So sick. This is like pretty much the inspo you sent me the other day. Yeah, crazy. Yes. Sick. Dude, that was crazy. Yeah, crazy. We found it.
Like the random magic that you don't expect to happen.
Yeah.
Happens, like.
I agree. And I appreciate you all because it's like this, using this guy, I'm learning real time of like how I'm gonna utilize it in the future. Yeah. Cause like I need a wider lens for sure. And I'll just follow you. Okay.
Like.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Like use the tree, yep. Sick. Yep. Now we're going into one of the last sequences with, we have the 10mm Laowa on, and I think having different specialty lenses are super nice touches because this one's going to be super wide, so it'll capture like the emphasis on how tall these trees are, but also just having fun. Sick. Shit. I'll show you. I'm not me knocking you out. Do slow shutter take through that. But then, since this is super wide, if I point it straight up, you could maybe play with your super, where the trees like engulf you. Yeah. Hell yeah. Sick. Whenever you're ready. Fire. Yep. Sick. Dude, this is crazy. Damn. Let's go. All right, we're going to the last shot of the day. Well, last shot of the outside day before we go to green screen. We're putting up the drone to get a little just like vibey reveal and pull away. Look at this. What a beautiful day. Compass calibrate, let's do it. Bro, the color is crazy.
And then just like
Huge.
one shot of just me. Boom.
Fire. Let's do it. Now I'm like pretty much here. I'll show you the frame.
That's a wrap.
Well, that's a wrap. Let's go.
And for the final thing that we needed to capture was Delaney on a green screen for the VFX artist. And what we wanted to show here is it doesn't have to be the perfect setup. As long as you have enough light and a green screen, you can do almost anything. You could have been doing anything and you chose to spend a few minutes together with us. I love you. I'll see you in the next one.